Okay, here's a common pattern of question where we've got a single log on one side of an equation and we've got a combination of logs on the other side. And the name of the game is you leave this side alone, and this side we're trying to get as a single log. So you do that in two stages. You start with the first bit, 3 log to the base a of 6. You can use one of your laws of logs from your notes to write as log to the base a of a particular number, and leave your minus log to the base a of 8 alone. And now we've got a log minus a log, and there's another law of logs that lets you compress that into a single log to the base a of something else. So we end up with log to the base a of x equals log to the base a of something else, and now you've got two logs that equal each other. You're entitled to say x equals the thing inside that log. And if you're lucky, that should be 27, because show that means our end point should be that x is 27. Part B, re-entry point. Don't have to have done part A. This is asking really for your understanding of logs. Now with calculators that do logs to any base, you could get all of these 4 answers just by punching them into your calculator, which would demonstrate no understanding whatsoever. So what you're really supposed to do here is decide what this is asking you. When it's saying log to the base 4 of 1 equals something, it's asking something about what power of 4 do you need to make 1, is one way to look at it. My recommendation is to learn how logs relate to power statements by taking 2 to the power 3 equals 8, which everyone knows is true, and reminding yourself or remembering what that looks like as a log statement. So log to the base 2 of so 2 to the power 3 of 2 to the power 3 equals 8 in a log terms looks like log to the base something of some number equals some value. And I recommend just going away and learning this. If you can do that on your own, then please pause the video and do it. Okay, well if you're still watching, the base of the log is the number you're doing a power of. The answer to the log is the power that's needed, and the number inside the log is the answer to the power. This is asking what power of 2 do I need to make 8, and the answer is 3. So a log statement gets juggled round into a power statement. So if log to the base 4 of 1 equals question mark, if you juggle things round in the same sort of way, then 4 is the number we're doing to a power. The power we need is the answer to the log, so we're calling that question mark, and the answer is the number inside the log is 1. It's asking what power of 4 do I need to make 1, so you need to decide what power that is, and that's going to be the answer to the log. And you can use the same pattern of rejuggling the numbers to set up all the other 4 things as power statements and decide what powers are necessary and answer those. And only then should you really type this into your calculator and check you've done it right.